I've always been a really big fan of the show Cops. And I'm not exactly sure why I'm so drawn to it. You know, maybe it's the thrill of watching police chases or the feeling of how lucky it makes me feel that I'm not in one of those situations. But nonetheless, I think it creates or makes for a lot of very entertaining situations to see from the people being chased down, who are usually on some type of illegal substance, you know, some kind of drug. So what we're going to do today is look at several clips. We actually have 4, hence the title. And these aren't necessarily from the show Cops, but they're just kind of viral clips that include crackheads in the title descriptions. But with that being said, I'd like to say that everybody has bad days. Some people go for runs to blow off some steam, while other people smoke a little crack. That's some Jurassic Park baby dinosaur being hatched ASMR shit.
Hey buddy, how you doing?
How's it going?
Oh hey, what's up? What's up, man?
Well, I somehow had a crazy night and woke up inside this bitch.
This guy looks like he's crawling over a DeLorean and is gonna ask the cameraman what year it is. This guy looks like he just got sent back in time by Skynet to save John Connor.
Even with all the doors blocked?
Yeah. Well, some crazy chick brought me over. I guess she knew about the damn place. So, and yeah, so I had to break out of this son of a bitch.
Just another Tuesday, man. You know how it is.
And I really don't remember how I got in there. All right. Sorry about that.
I love how the guy committing the crime seems way more angry than the dude who actually owns the place. Yo, man, if your house swallows me up again, I'm gonna have to report this. And he climbs out the hole in the fence like, you should really get this fixed, dude. I'm actually a food inspector also. You gonna finish that sandwich? Now I know what you're thinking. If our houses aren't safe, where can we go to get the protection that we deserve? Where can we feel safe? Surely the sewers have to be a safe place. We'll guess again.
You can't make this shit up, man. What do you got, a flashlight?
Yeah.
It Chapter 3's budget really went downhill.
Looking for your cat?
Yep.
Oh, you got yourself in a fucked up position, man. Are you hiding from somebody?
Nope.
So what the fuck are you doing in here?
Amazing grace.
What are you doing in here? Amazing Grace. The guy busts out singing Amazing Grace. He's like, I'd like to thank our country for keeping our sewers safe. Support the troops.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, dog, you in the fucking gutter, man.
You ain't kidding.
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know, bro. I was following instructions.
There ain't no fucking instructions here, man.
One minute you're building a triple shelf IKEA dresser, the next you're in the sewer. Those instructions are confusing.
You're picking, what are you doing?
I had a fucking Allen key. How the fuck am I gonna get out?
You're stuck, man. You're stuck in the goddamn gutter, man.
Is it Derrick?
Oh shit, I know you. You're drug dealer Derrick.
Sup, drug dealer Derrick?
No, it ain't Derrick, man.
You look like my buddy Derrick.
Well, I ain't your buddy.
It ain't Derrick, man. I'm not your buddy guy.
Guess I am tonight, man. You fucked, man.
Yeah. Sorry, bro.
What the fuck are you doing? You're trapped in the goddamn gutter, man.
Yeah, I know. I see that, bro.
I had to call you some help, man.
Hang on.
What, y'all never traveled by sewer? It's the fastest mode of transportation. And lastly, I'd like to point out this takes place in Florida. The Florida Man memes appear to be correct. So the next video we're going to look at is titled Crackhead Goes to Hector's Trap House. And I feel like the title explains everything that you guys need to know, as is the case for all of these videos pretty much. But basically what you have is a crackhead goes to, I'm assuming to be Hector's trap house, but interestingly enough, name Hector is never said, but they do mention another name, which I think you'll get into your memory pretty well. But with that being said, I hope you guys find this video entertaining.
Where's Mikey?
He's asleep.
70 for a
He
dime.
doesn't want to.
Dude. I'll come back at 4. Don't I don't want to make a scene. There's a cop over there and there's...
Well, leave. If there's a cop, leave.
I don't want to make a scene. There's a cop over there. I mean, it sounds kind of counterintuitive, like, you know. Also, look at those trees. Does that look like Florida? Those look like some Florida trees. I feel like this might be another case of the Florida people.
Dude, hook me up. I don't want to make a fucking scene.
Well, you already fucking made a big ass scene.
70 for a dime is a fucking deal. I'll be back at 4 to pick it up.
He doesn't want to.
Dude, fucking tell him.
I already fucking told him.
Well, tell him again.
He fucking said no.
Well, make him say yes.
How the fuck am I tell him?
Mikey!
Mikey! Said no, make him say yes, Mikey!
Damn, you're fucking making a scene.
Fucking
Leave.
do it, man, so I can get the fuck out of here.
I can't.
Oh my god.
Just leave. Just go somewhere else.
This lady's crackhead Karen. Instead of the manager, she wants to talk to Mikey.
Come on, I'm fucking sweating my balls off.
You got balls?
Yeah, balls. Balls.
Mikey! 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 Fucking sweating my balls off. Come on, man, Mikey!
He's asleep, and there's a fucking kid asleep too.
Well, goddammit, 70 for a dime, Mike! Come on!
You're fucking making a scene. Just get out of here.
Dude, fucking call Mikey!
He's asleep.
He's not asleep, I was just talking to him.
But he was asleep when you were talking to him.
Mike! Wake him up.
This lady's on Mike's ass like he owes child support.
Come on, wake him up. It's fucking noon. I'm sweating my ass off.
Well, it's not my
Come
fault.
on, Mikey!
Oh my god. Stop fucking knocking on the door.
He said, do it.
She said, I'm willing to take down this entire operation. Where the fuck is Mikey? So the fourth horseman of the Crackpocalypse, we will see in this next video, of course. And I'm not exactly sure what his name is. The video is titled Corey Ray Crackhouse, which is not as descriptive as some of the previous titles. But the first portion is a little bit hard to hear just because the person who's recording it has it behind a window, and then after a little bit they move the camera to the like kind of screen layer of the window so you can hear the audio a little bit better. Basically what you have happening is a guy climbs up the side of a house and goes to this guy's window like it's a drive-through and tries to buy some crack. Quality content, our first non-vertical video.
You got that shit?
What's up, dog?
You got that shit, bro? I got $3. I got. Where's that? Oh, fuck. Oh, I gotta go back for my $3. Oh, you wouldn't believe what happened, dude. This chick, right? There was this dude, and then there was this chick, and then there was this pipe, and then it broke, and then we ran, and there was like CVS, and there was security everywhere, and then I hit this guy, and they hit me, and then I hit him, and then he called the cops, and they came, and they let me go. You got that shit? You got that shit?
Just one second, I'll be right back. There's this guy and there's this girl, and then you got the shit.
I need that shit.
Well,
They
you
set
only
me
have
up here, bro.
$3?
They set me up here.
$3.
Is this the wrong house?
No,
Is this the wrong house?
$3?
Is this the wrong house?
What you got anything
Hey.
for $3?
$3.
Now I swear this is the house I climbed up the other day. Hold up, you mind if I ask my imaginary friend real quick? Hey yo, is this the wrong house?
You got the crack here, right? Oh, no crack? Oh, fuck, you guys don't have crack? Oh, fuck you guys.
Is this a setup? Oh, this is the wrong house? Let me just clarify, I was looking for crack. Do you perhaps have a wire that you're wearing that I could speak more clearly into to clarify I was looking to purchase illegal substances? Also, would you like my social security number?
What's the crack?
Well, fuck you then.
Next time I come back, you better have some crack.
He's like the tooth fairy. Do parents still do that these days? But instead, this guy places a little sack of meth underneath your pillow. I know we clown on the people in these videos, but drug addictions are very serious, and if you or someone you know is battling an addiction, there are places to get help, such as the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration hotline, which will be on the screen here, and then I'll also put some resources in the description down below. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it.